The day I filmed my first travel vlog, I was so excited. I couldn't wait to share with the world where I had gone to. Now I knew as a beginner, not many people would see it, but that didn't stop my excitement, especially because film and editing is my passion, and so is travel. When you put all those things together, you get making travel vlogs. Now I am coming up on my 3-year vlog anniversary, and I have learned so much in these past 3 years that today I wanted to share with you guys the 5 biggest don'ts of making travel vlogs. There was a point where my vlog would get maybe 5 to 10 views, and I was still excited because someone was watching, but now I have some over 10,000, and that's just so exciting to me. But I never would have gotten there if I didn't learn what not to do, if I didn't make mistakes. So here's your first one. And this is probably the biggest mistake I see in travel vloggers, or at least one starting out. How do I say this politely? Don't leave in unnecessary footage. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Lindsay, me and my friends are so funny. Everybody's gonna wanna see every single part of this adventure. They're not going to. They're gonna wanna see the best and the funniest parts, or the scariest parts, the parts that keep them on the edge of their seat. I see way too many vlogs that are incredibly long and totally could have been cut down. I have had this drilled into my head since film college because they teach you don't leave in anything that's unnecessary. Cut it down as much as you possibly can. I know you guys see a lot of jump cuts in my footage. That's because I cut out every every pause because you guys don't want to see that. I'm sure you see this clock in the background move behind me pretty quickly, but that's just because I am cutting in when I'm not speaking. So with my travel vlogs, I like to give factual information, have funny moments with my friends, the things that I know make other people laugh, or the scary moments that I know people are going to be afraid of, and the cinematic shots from all the beautiful places I go to. But all of the extra things I cut out, and maybe not everybody would even consider those things extra, but I do. Let's go to an example. Here's a clip that I had cut down and what it wouldn't have been if I didn't cut it down.
So that was us at Romantica in Puerto Vallarta. It wasn't exactly what we were expecting.
I thought it would be a little bit more romantic. Honestly, the most romantic thing though is if you're a couple and you're gonna go cuddle up on the beach over there.
But I do feel like the architecture was honestly, it is.
At Romantica in Puerto Vallarta, it wasn't exactly what we were expecting.
I thought it would be a little bit more romantic. Honestly, the most romantic thing though is if you're a couple and you're gonna go cuddle up on the beach over there.
But I do feel like...
Start over.
But I do feel like the architecture was honestly, it matches the culture here.
It's beautiful.
It is.
Like, you still got all the information in from the first half of that clip, that you didn't need all the unnecessary parts in the second. Just try to look back at your travel vlog and ask yourself if you would want to watch all of this if you did not know yourself. And maybe even to start, go look at other people's vlogs first and kind of judge theirs. See where you think that they could have cut things out, and that is going to help you see where you need to cut things out in yours. Which brings me to my next don't. Don't have extremely long vlogs to start out, because once you're starting out in travel vlogging, nobody really knows who you are. So they want a reason to watch you first. They want to know what you do, what you have to offer them. Starting out on my channel, I like to make guides so people know what places look like before they go and visit them. And usually when a person wants to know about a place, they don't want to sit and watch a 20-30 minute vlog. The ideal time would be between 5 and 7 minutes. But don't worry, the day will come where you will be at the top and you will be able to make 20-minute videos, and people are gonna love to watch them because they love you and who you are. Okay, this third don't is more about the video making itself. And one thing that I am just annoyed with myself when I do it, it's annoying when I see it in other vlogs, is make sure if you are talking about something factual, if you're having a conversation with somebody in your vlog, don't have people talk over each other, because it's basically impossible to edit and it's impossible to understand. If you did want to overlap people's voices in your vlog, record them on separate audio tracks, not on the same. I do have some unusable footage because me and my friend were talking at the same time and it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look clean. And I'm assuming since you're making travel vlogs, you probably want them to look clean. So that's just one of those things where if I'm vlogging out with my friends, I'll be like, wait, let's do that again. You said this over me, or I said this over you. Let's do it again and make it better. My fourth don't of travel vlogging is don't think that you need a $1,000 camera to make your footage look good, or to have people watch you. My personal favorite YouTuber, Christian LeBlanc, his page is called Lost LeBlanc, he started with just a GoPro. and he now has almost 2 million subscribers. Just the GoPro. And now he makes insanely beautiful cinematic footage because he started small and then was able to work his way up to be able to afford all of that. You don't want to just spend all your money. You're like, oh, I want to be a vlogger. Let me just buy the most expensive camera, because you don't know if you're going to like it right away. So start with something small. My recommendation would be the ASGO. I don't know if I'm saying that right. 7,000. I got it on Amazon for like $75, and it helped me film my first few vlogs until I was like, you know what? I really do want to do travel vlogging. Now I'm gonna invest. But these vlogs still look really good on this camera. Okay, and our last don't of this video, and is definitely the most important don't, is don't forget to do your research. And here's what I mean by that. There are two separate things you're gonna wanna do your research on before you go and film your first travel vlog. I'm gonna use myself as an example, because I'm the only one here in my house. I wanted my first really good factual vlog to be about Stone Mountain in Atlanta, Georgia, because that's where I was living at the time, and it was the place that I visited most and had the most knowledge about, which is where you should start when you start travel vlogging. Go to some place that you feel comfortable. So I did my research all about Stone Mountain. I learned everything about it, how long the trails were, what attractions they had, what you could get to eat, how much everything cost, how much parking cost. I learned absolutely everything about Stone Mountain, and then I went there and I filmed my vlog there on it. And that vlog now has 15,000 views. Awesome. The other part of the research you want to do before you go is go on YouTube and search exactly what you might want to have as your title. Look up this place because probably somebody has gone there before and made a travel vlog on it. See what they did, study it, and then find out ways that you can make it better. Write down all of your ideas and be like, I would have done this. Oh, if they did this, this would have been better. And then when you go and make your vlog, make something that would be better. For example, the video that I watched when I was going to make this vlog about Stone Mountain, it was a couple hiking up Stone Mountain, and like, I think it was like an 18-minute video, basically of heavy breathing and just like cool views, and but like in between like the heavy breathing and then like the camera would pan down to the rock and then like come back up, and I was like, you could have cut that out. You could have cut that out. This could have been like a 7-minute video if you just kept all the important parts in, which is what people would want, which was what I wanted when I was looking up a vlog about it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to make a quick 2-minute guide on this place, and let's see if I could get my views higher. And it worked. So it's so important to do your research, because you don't want to go into a place blindly and have no idea what you're talking about, because then nobody's gonna want to watch your vlog then either. Have your facts straight, do your research on what's already out there, and go out there and make an awesome travel vlog. It takes practice. It definitely helped me that I had a few years of film college before I went out and did this, but everybody starts at someplace different. Don't get discouraged because of the people out there who have amazing travel vlogs. If you just keep learning and studying from them, you eventually will have amazing travel vlogs. And I am always here to support you. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope this really helped you out if you're looking to make travel vlogs anytime soon. Happy travels, and I will catch y'all on the next one.